AI isn't coming, it's already here. In 2025, it's reshaping the way every business operates. Studies predict that AI could add over $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, making it the most transformative technology since the birth of the internet. What used to take entire teams, months of research, and countless hours of manual work can now be done in minutes using AI. Entrepreneurs who once needed investors, big offices, or technical teams now have the power of automation and data-driven tools at their fingertips. But here's the truth: AI is a survival tool. The difference between those who stay ahead and those who fade away will come down to one thing: who learns to integrate AI into their daily workflow, strategy, and mindset. So today, we'll explore how you, as a modern entrepreneur, can stay ahead in the age of AI, understanding what's changing, how to adapt, and how to build a future-proof business that thrives in this new era. The AI-powered business landscape in 2025 or 2026. Let's start with automation. AI systems are now handling repetitive business tasks that used to drain hours every week. Things like invoicing, scheduling, responding to customer inquiries, and managing data. What once required a full-time assistant can now be done using an AI tool like Zapier, Notion AI, or ChatGPT integrated workflows, freeing entrepreneurs to focus on creativity, strategy, and growth. Then there's data-driven decision-making. Gone are the days of relying on gut feelings. Modern businesses use AI analytics platforms that read patterns across millions of data points, predicting customer demand, adjusting pricing in real time, and even identifying market gaps before competitors notice. For example, Amazon and Netflix use AI to recommend products and shows, but even small businesses now use similar systems for marketing and sales decisions. AI is also transforming how customers experience brands. Through hyper-personalization, every ad, product suggestion, or email is now tailored to an individual's interests, location, and past behavior. This means better engagement, higher retention, and stronger loyalty. And new technologies are emerging faster than ever. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are writing scripts, designing ads, and coding websites. Agentic AI can now plan, execute, and manage entire workflows on its own. Imagine having a virtual employee that never sleeps. And multimodal AI can understand and generate across text, images, and audio, simultaneously opening the door for automated podcasts, video editing, and digital storytelling at scale. This isn't just innovation, it's a complete transformation of what entrepreneurship looks like. Core strategies for the future entrepreneur. So how can you, as an entrepreneur, not just keep up, but lead in this AI-driven era? It starts with an AI-first strategy. Think of AI as a business partner, not just a piece of software. Before adopting any tool, start with your goals. What problem are you trying to solve? Do you want to save time, increase sales, or improve customer experience? Once you're clear, use AI to fill those gaps. Entrepreneurs who treat AI as a strategic advantage, not a shortcut, are the ones dominating industries. Another key element is data quality and governance. Successful entrepreneurs are investing in clean, structured data systems and ensuring strong privacy practices. Compliance with laws like GDPR or CCPA isn't just legal protection, it builds trust with your audience. Next, build a culture of experimentation and learning. The AI world changes every few months, so your business must stay flexible. Don't wait for perfect plans. Test, learn, and adapt quickly. Try small AI experiments in marketing, design, or operations, and see what works best. At the same time, develop AI literacy across your team. Even if you're a solo entrepreneur, Understanding how to prompt AI tools effectively can multiply your productivity. The most successful people in this new economy aren't replacing humans with AI, they're enhancing human creativity with AI. Finally, focus on niche opportunities. While big corporations chase broad markets, AI allows solo entrepreneurs to dominate small, overlooked niches. Whether it's legal compliance software for small law firms, AI-driven design tools for creators, or crop analysis tools for farmers, the next wave of innovation will come from niche, specialized problem-solving, powered by AI challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. The AI revolution also brings a unique set of challenges that entrepreneurs must navigate wisely. One major issue is the AI talent shortage. Skilled AI engineers and data scientists are in high demand, but small businesses can overcome this through no-code or low-code AI platforms that make advanced automation accessible to everyone. Tools like Pabbly, Make.com, and ChatGPT plugins allow you to automate and integrate systems without writing a single line of code. Then there's the issue of ethics and transparency. AI systems are only as fair as the data they learn from, and biased data can lead to biased results. As an entrepreneur, it's your responsibility to ensure your tools are ethical, transparent, and explainable. Building trust with your users matters just as much as building efficiency into your business. We're also witnessing the evolution of job roles. AI will certainly automate some positions, but it's also creating entirely new careers, like prompt engineers, AI strategists, model trainers, and AI ethic officers. The smart entrepreneur sees this not as a threat, but as a chance to evolve to move into roles that require creativity, empathy, and human judgment, which AI can't replicate. The future of work isn't humans versus AI, it's humans with AI. The most valuable businesses will be built by people who know how to collaborate with machines intelligently. Case studies. To see how this plays out in the real world, let's look at a few powerful examples. Unilever, one of the world's largest consumer goods companies, uses AI for both marketing and manufacturing. Through AI-driven consumer insights, their Dove campaign reached over 700 million impressions in less than 30 days by predicting emotional triggers in audiences. On the production side, AI improved manufacturing efficiency by 8%, saving millions in operational costs. Now, on the smaller end of the spectrum, there's the story of a solo consultant who built $1 million business using only AI tools. With ChatGPT for client proposals, Notion AI for planning, and Synthesia for video training content, they scaled from freelancing to running a global consulting brand without hiring a single full-time employee. This is what AI leverage looks like, doing more with less. Even YouTube creators are using AI to run entire automation channels, generating scripts, creating visuals, and narrating videos with AI voiceovers. Channels like TechZone and Magnates Media use AI in their research and storytelling process, showing how individuals can build media empires without massive production teams. These examples prove one thing: AI doesn't just give an advantage to the rich or the corporate. It empowers anyone willing to learn, adapt, and take action. The world of entrepreneurship is entering a new chapter 1, where creativity, adaptability, and technology combine to redefine success. AI is no longer futuristic. It's the foundation of modern business. Whether you're building an e-commerce brand, running a consulting firm, or managing a YouTube channel, the tools to automate, scale, and personalize your business are already here. The key is not to fear AI, but to partner with it. So, as we move deeper into 2025 and beyond, remember this: it's not the AI that wins, the human who uses AI better. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and comment below with your thoughts. Your support helps us keep creating more content to help you master the future of AI and entrepreneurship.